Horses out, we have Magnolia's Classic. Pass to begin, down on the inside is Wonderlab. Racing in third, Home Run Babe. I'm on fire, moving a party outside, Wabi Sabi. Then comes California and Mobile. He's the early trailer. And going along for the first turn, we have Magnolia's Classic. By about 2 lengths, California. Now moving up to take second. Alongside third, I'm on fire. Down on the inside, fourth, Home Run Babe. Then comes Wabi Sabi in fifth. Mobile and Wonderlab trails the field. That's still Magnolia Classic by about 2 lengths. California now trying to get closer in second. Home Run Baby is racing in third. I am on fire in fourth. Then followed over by Wabi Sabi. Then next on line is Mobile. And a long way back to Wonderlab. And that's still Magnolia's Classic by about 2.5 lengths. California still in second. Wabi Sabi now in third. Then comes Home Run Babe. Magnolia's Classic by only a length getting half. Then here comes California now coming closer on the outside second. And as they come down at the last 150, and it's still Magnolia's Classic by a length getting half. California is on the outside second and Wabi Sabi. But it's still Magnolia's Classic by about 2.5 lengths. California is on the outside second, and nearing the finish line, it's Magnolia's Classic. California, then comes Wabi Sabi, Wonderlab, Mobile.
Si Mobile ba pang 5?
Right, 56813.
Copy.